We have to go! We have to go now!
I can't leave!
I'm sorry to say this, but the shop is done! The flame is done!
No! This is my father's whole life! I'm not going anywhere! Oh, wait. Thank you. I have to open that up.
No! The water will come in and you'll be snuffed out.
But you're evaporating. I don't know what to do.
It's okay.
No, it's not okay.
Amber, I have no regrets. You gave me something people search for their whole lives.
I'm sorry I didn't say it before. I love you.